Om Sai Ram. We are listening to Sri Sai Baba's Charters and Sayings compiled by Pujya Sri Narasimha Swamiji. Sri Dashkanu Maharaj had a talk with Sri Sai Baba about Sakshatkar, and Dashkanu Maharaj also desired to go to Pandharpur to have darshan of Vittal during the month of Aswin, and he was sent by Sri Sai Baba. Let us continue to listen on that. As Vittal of Pandari alone was God to him and not Baba, later he returned to Shiradi. Dashkanu Maharaj, Baba, you have been long putting off request. When will you give me Sakshatkar? Sri Sai Baba, you see me? That is Sakshatkar. I am God. Dashganu, I expected you would say so, but I am not satisfied with that. Dashganu considered that it was not in his destiny, that is, Prarabdha, to have Sakshatkar of God Vittal, as that was what he evidently wanted. Ordinarily, Sakshatkaras are very transient. Sitaram Dikshit one day had a vision of Vittal, but he was not sure what the god or figure was that appeared to him. He went to Baba. Sri Sai Baba, did not Vittal Patil come? Have you not seen him? That Vittal is very elusive. Tie him fast. If by inadvertence you lose sight of him, he will vanish in a second. Let us now listen to the poem Life of Life by Coventry Patmore related to Sakshatkara. What's that which ere I spake was gone? So joyful and intense a spark, that, whilst o'erhead the wonder shone, the day, before but dull, grew dark. I do not know, but this I know, that had the splendor lived a year, the truth that I some heavenly show did see could not be now more clear. This know I too, might mortal breath express the passion then inspired, evil would die a natural death, and nothing transient be desired, and error from the soul would pass, and leave the senses pure and strong as sunbeams, but the best, alas, has neither memory nor tongue. Om Sai Ram.